type of engineer are you?
I'm an electrical engineer.
What did your work involve?
I worked with supercomputers when I first got out of school, and then I worked with tape drives, the new generation of tape drives, for many years as well.
How much schooling did it require?
It required about 4 years of school for me to graduate and have a degree to be able to work as an electrical engineer.
Why did you choose this type of engineering?
Because I thought it was always cool to be able to make lights turn on and off when I wanted to. So I thought that was kind of cool to make it happen that way. So the more I looked into it, the more I found that I wanted to work with electricity and electrical circuits.
What advice would you give to students who are interested in engineering?
In engineering, you have to be good at math. You have to be very persistent. You will fail a lot, and you cannot let failure be a reason to quit, because you will fail a lot. You will have many more failures than you'll have successes. Be good in school, and don't be afraid to fail. Go out and try and make mistakes, and learn from your mistakes. You'll learn more from your mistakes than you learn from your successes. But you have to be prepared to succeed as well, meaning be good at math, be good at science, be good at writing. Good engineers need to be able to read and write very, very well, surprisingly so.
How long did it take you to get your degrees?
About 4 years.
What type of degrees do you have?
I have 2 degrees. I have a Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering, and then I also have a Master's in Business Administration from Regis University.
What type of skills is required to get a job at your company?
I had to be good at electronics. I had to be good at math. I had to interview well. They didn't want somebody who was going to be just really quiet and withdrawn. They wanted somebody who was confident that they would do well. I also had experience in electronics because I found a job while I was in school doing electronics. So although I wasn't an electrical engineer, I was doing electronics work. So by the time I graduated, not only did I have my degree, I also had 3 years experience. So together, that made me very, very desirable.
How can schools better prepare students for a career in engineering?
How can this school?
Any school.
Any school would work. I would challenge you to say, what can you do to be better prepared for a career in engineering? Any school can make you ready, but are you ready to be taught and learn everything you need to learn to be good at engineering? In other words, are you good at math? Are you good at reading and writing? Are you disciplined? Are you persistent? If something doesn't work quite the way you want it to, do you just give it up and quit? Or do you try doing something different and maybe trying to keep figuring things out? All of those things are really your skills. We as teachers will try and teach you what you need to learn, but if you don't want to learn it, I can't help you there. So any school can prepare you well. Some schools better, STEM probably, because you'll get engineering experience as in middle school. But you can go to a regular school and learn everything you need to learn about being a good engineer, but if you don't study, if you don't ask good questions, if you don't participate, it doesn't matter what school you go to. So it's really on you.